see, all these problems are behavior related, right? I have dealt in my 9 years of working, dealt with kid as old as 13 to a man who was 75. Okay, all ranges. Now, when we talk about weed, for that matter, weed is considered to be the gateway to all drugs. It is people don't see the consequence of that because it comes much later. For example, in alcohol, an alcoholic after a year or two of really high drinking would find the differences in his liver reports, GGTP going high, family getting worried. So we can stop if we want to stop at that time. Weed, it's known as, okay, fine, you're doing it, it's not affecting your life as of now, you're working, it gives you a lot of creativity comes in your mind, so you feel, oh, it's not a bad thing. But it is the most dangerous disease or the substance that we know or I've seen in rehabs. I have seen people who have consumed weed for 10 years. You should have then got an MRI test done, and they already have white patches. Guys who are 30, 35 had white patches in their MRI, which shows small, like a small seizure that they've already got, which was not, you couldn't make out, but they happen. But still, when we showed them the, this prescription or the whatever report, they're like, "Theek hai, kuch nahi hoga." It's not that bad. Gaming is also running away from reality. You want to put your, your mind in gaming. We don't focus on someone's gaming. I don't focus on their gaming. I'm focusing on why is he running away from a situation. I've had a kid at 14, 11 or 12 or 14 coming to the rehab from Bangalore. Why they didn't even get to know that it was all, he was playing games all the time. He stopped going to school. So there were consequences, but yet he did not see. He has been put in a rehab. Maximum bracket that I've seen 45 to 50 onwards, up till 70 is all alcohol. It's all old school thought. Drink is not, that time 1970s, 80s, the drugs, the rock and roll music had just started, and people got into. So that time weed started to some extent, but before that it was purely alcohol. But the younger lot is scary. They want to try anything and everything. It does not matter till the time they're getting that high. And what happens is, because they look for instant gratification all the time, so if they don't even have the patience. So if someone, like for example, weed should, when consumed, should show the effect in half an hour, 40 minutes, they don't want to wait. They will try something else to fasten that high. As a result, they OD. Overdose. Alcohol could be a part, but otherwise now pills, sleeping pills, people having pain relief things, people drinking Listerine mouth freshener, nail polish remover, crazy thing, and that's all in the younger lot.